Hello tutor and mates, my name is Angeline Said Davis Perez. I'm student of Bachelor in English as a Foreign Language. I'm coursing 10th semester at the SEAD of Bucaramanga. At this moment, I'm going to present my individual task of the topic learning about peoples and customs. In this case, I choose the country of Chile. Chile is an American country that is located in the western zone of South America. Its official name is Republic of Chile and its capital is Santiago de Chile. This country have a few of inhabitants. This makes it more centralized when we are referring about practices and culture. Customs are widespread through the whole country, although there are small variations depending on the area where people live. One of the most traditional customs in this country is the celebrations of the Independence Day that takes place in September 18 until the 20th. During these days, people build ramadas that in Colombia we call casetas or fondas, where they make known the typical food of this country, that is the carbonada. This is a winter stew that prepared with pumpkin, potatoes, carrots, and in addition meat cut up into pieces. Also, they represent the crafts of the different areas and make dance, the typical dance that is the cueca. This is a rhythm with in verse. Is a rhythm in verse, and they represent from each zone. For example, the area from the north, the dance is called Cueca Norteña, and from the south is called Cueca del Sur. In this dance, they use a dress of flowers or one color and a apron. Chilean people said that they don't speak Spanish. They say they speak Chileno because they have some words that normally they don't use in the Spanish language like in others country. For example, when they say chela, they mean beer. When they say cachay, they want to say, do you get it? Do you know? When they say carretear is to go party. Al tiro is right away. Idiot or friend is weón. When they want to call a friend or tell someone idiot, they say weón. Bacán, they refer to when something is cool or awesome. And po, when they are well or great. In addition, Chilean people say some phrases highlighting animals' names. Yes, for example, when we say in Spanish la pasamos bien, they say la pasamos chancho. Or when we say estamos pobres, they say estamos pato. And for example, if we say ando de malas, they say ando con los monos. These kind of phrases is used normally in Chilean language, so that's why they say they speak Chileno. Chilean peoples are well known because they have much solidarity with others. They like to protect animals and also they give children the opportunity to have opinion among them. They don't like to leave children one side and make them quiet. No, they make them participate among them and they can have their own opinion. What doesn't permit in Chile is to smoke in public place like stadiums or gyms where they know can affect people's health. Also, the pedestrian zones are well respectful for Chilean peoples. No matter how drivers come in fast in their car, when they get to a pedestrian zone, they always stop so people can cross the road. In this way, I finish my presentations about the country of Chile. I hope it is useful for this activity. Thank you and have a nice day.